Hi everyone! I found this great idea from a YouTuber online here and I made myself one, posted on Instagram, and someone said, you need to make a video on how you did that. So I double checked to make sure she hadn't already made one. I took her instructions. It's a really simple idea, but I'm telling you what, this has been awesome. During the winter, I took these things inside the house and I was able to underglaze where it was nice and warm because my studio is not always warm in the winter. But let me go ahead and just get showing you how I made this. Okay, I went to Home Depot, and they probably have these on Amazon as well. I'll look it up and find a link below of something that's equivalent, if not the exact same thing. But these are, you'd find these in the tools department. Usually you put things like nuts and bolts and whatever in there, and they're removable, so you can make this bin bigger, this bin smaller, and all you have to do is seal it up. These ones are sealed in and these ones come out. And how I did that is I took them out and I sealed all the edges. Thing you have to do and wait 24 hours for it to cure. So here we are. Now they're all securely in place and they're watertight. So what I'm going to do is take some of my Underglazes and fill this one up. So I was going to do this in the house. See, I have them all here and they're all light colors. So let me go ahead and just sort those out. I have some water to clean out my brushes, a pen to note on top of it what's inside each container, and a brush to get the stuff out. So let's start with these guys first. I thought I would just sit here and chat to see how well I do because I would like to go live. I feel like I want to talk to somebody while I'm doing my clay here all by myself in the studio, and I figure if I did a live chat I'd be able to talk to you. You can tell me all about what you're doing in your studio, and that's what I like. I don't like to waste any underglaze, so if I have some on my brush, before I rinse the brush, I make a transfer with it. I've had these underglaze bottles for probably, oh my gosh, all these Dunkin' ones I've probably had for 8 years. At least 8 years. Nope, I've had them before then. I've had these Dunkin' ones before I even started the Hobby Potter channel, so that's got to be 11 years. So I've slowly been allowing myself to enjoy the space that I have here. Now, I find that some of the things I got rid of, I wish I still had, but you know, I end up thinking creatively in a different way. So it's been a very good experience not having everything I need in here. And I don't use these colors ever, so this is going to be a fun experiment to even see what they look like. I'm always really happy with the underglazed piece before it goes in the kiln. I'm trying to figure out if underglazes, when they're dry, end up being matching colors when they're fired. I know I'm not going to get the same color, but if I look at something when it's underglazed and go, okay, it looks like all those colors match. When I'm doing these, I like to have a compartment that has the color white in it. So I'm just gonna grab my Underglaze white, but I use a lot of white. And all you do is seal it up. I keep mine flat. I make sure that they stay flat because it is liquid and the top isn't sealed to the bottom, so or to the partitions there. So these are all the colors. These are all the colors that I have in this one container, and hopefully it was helpful. Here's one. Let me show you all the containers I have. I think I only brought out one container. This will make 4. This will be my 4th container that I have here. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoy. Do it in your own studio. Let me know what you think. Post, comment, subscribe. I'm going to start sharing more of my journey, and I'm looking forward to hearing about yours. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.